Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Black Ops 7 this error code. The game has crashed. So if you're getting this error code in Black Ops 7, then here follow the fixes. So open Windows settings. On the left click on apps, then click on install apps. Then here search for Call of Duty and click on these three dots and then click on advanced options. Scroll down. Under the reset option you will see repair option, so click on repair first, and after the repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then click on reset option as well, then again click on reset to confirm, and when the reset has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If still your problem is not solved, then open the Xbox app and then uninstall Call of Duty from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and check if your problem is solved or not. So that's all for this video. So if this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.